Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can use audio on Snapchat, like how to use sounds on Snapchat. So press the music button over here. Then after that, you are just going to choose the song that you want by clicking on it. I'm just going to choose this one. And then you can also drag it to like trim the part that you want, and then to play you're just going to press the play button over here or use the stop button to stop the audio. Then you're just going to hit the record button to record using the sound. And then you can share it or save it, whatever you want, and as you can see, the sound will be there. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!